This is given question, if r square minus 2rs plus s square is equal to 4, then what is the value of r minus s whole power 6? So let's solve this question. As we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, this given question is in the form of this, and we will write this question in the form of this. So here a is equal to r and b is equal to s. So we can write this question as r minus s whole square is equal to 4. Now, taking cube on both sides of the equation. So let's take cube on both sides of the equation. R minus s square all power 3 is equal to 4 power 3. Now, according to exponent rule, if a power m all power n, so this is equal to a power m into n. Now, this question is in the form of this, and we will write this in the form of this. So we can write r minus s power 2 into 3 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 because of cube. So this will become r minus s all power 6 is equal to 64. So this is our required answer. This is the answer.